Thank you for buying your Alana Ottoman bed from Dreams. Assembly of this bed takes 2 people around 1.5 hours to complete. To assemble this bed, you will need the following parts. Insert the bolt assemblies into both the head and footboard with 1 bolt in the top and bottom holes respectively on both sides. For the caster legs, slide the locking washer over the threaded stud and screw them into the footboard. The plain legs with locking washers screw into the headboard. The Ottoman bed can lift from the left or right side by attaching the mechanisms labelled PA and PB. For a right-sided lift, attach the mechanisms to the head and footboard using the holes marked L. For a left-sided lift, use the holes marked R. On the side rails, add a cushion block to each end on both sides. Fix them into place using the bolt assembly and bolt sleeve. At this point, you will also need to attach the central support to the middle of each side rail. To fit the side rails, there are hooks attached at each end. The hooks hook onto the bolts you have placed in both the head and the footboard. Attach both side rails in this way, ensuring the bed is square before tightening all the bolts fully. Next, unfold the fabric base and place it inside the bed. The sides of the base have Velcro, which sticks to the inside of each rail as well as the foot and headboard. Unfold the metal slat frame and place it on the floor. Fit the metal connection plates into the threaded insert on the frame with the bolts provided. If you have purchased the Super King size bed, the crossbar slides between slats 7 and 8 and connects to the frame through the threaded holes. Fit the gas piston to the mechanism by hooking it onto the center of the mechanism and securing with a bolt. Do not tighten the bolt fully to allow the mechanism to move. Lift the support bars on the head and footboard and place the assembled slat frame on top. Ensure the holes for the mattress stoppers are on the correct side and secure in place with the bolts provided. Once done, carefully lay the slat frame down and ensure there is an even gap all the way around of about 8 mm. Once in place, tighten all the bolts. Fit the fabric hand strap to the center of the frame and add the mattress stoppers. If required, you can also add the floor protector cups under the castors. Congratulations! You have now completed the installation, and your bed is now ready to give you the best ever night's sleep.